Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share files from Ubuntu to Windows 11 or Windows 11 to Ubuntu. To start, in Ubuntu, open the terminal. Here, run the command ipad. You can see the local IP address. After this, in Windows, open the command prompt and run the ipconfig command to see the local IP address. You can see that they are on the same network. After that, right-click on the folder to share, select Properties. Then in the Sharing tab, click on Advanced Sharing. First, check the Share This folder box. Click on Permissions and you will activate the full control box for all users. Click Apply and OK, close the windows. After this, press Start and open Settings. In the Network and Internet section, click on Advanced Network Settings. When accessing, click on Advanced Sharing Settings. On all available networks, you will activate all switches to allow network recognition and file access. Back in Ubuntu, open Files and here click on Other Locations. At the bottom, enter the Windows IP address using the SMB command. Click Connect. In some cases, you must enter the credentials of the user with whom you are connecting. By clicking Connect, you will have access to the shared resources in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To check that it works correctly, in the Windows folder, create a file. When you access Ubuntu, you can see that this file is reflected there. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.